Naattu Kozhi Kulambu, country chicken curry, a rustic kitchen setup, clay pots, traditional spices on the counter. Today, we're making a flavorful, authentic Naattu Kozhi Kulambu, the taste of our Tamil Nadu tradition in every bite. Top view shot of ingredients beautifully arranged. Country chicken, 1/2 kilograms. Onions, 2 chopped. Tomatoes, 2 chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Coconut, 1/2 cup, grated. Dry red chilies, 4. Coriander seeds, 2 tbsp. Fennel seeds, 1 tsp. Curry leaves, few. Turmeric powder, 1/2 tsp. Chili powder, 1 tsp. Coriander powder, 2 tsp. Oil, 3 tsp. Salt to taste. These are the key ingredients that make this curry rich and aromatic. Dry roasting spices in an iron pan. Start by roasting dry red chilies, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds until aromatic. Add grated coconut and roast till golden. Grind this into a fine paste with water. Oil heating in a clay pot. Curry leaves crackling. In a clay pot, heat oil. Add curry leaves, chopped onions, and sauté till golden. Then add ginger garlic paste and sauté well. Add chopped tomatoes, turmeric, chili, and coriander powder. Cook till oil separates, adding cleaned Naattu Kozhi pieces to the masala. Now add the cleaned country chicken pieces. Mix well so they absorb the spices. Cook for 5 minutes, pouring ground masala and water into the pot. Stir gently. Add the ground coconut spice paste and enough water for gravy. Cover and cook on low flame for 30-40 minutes till the chicken turns tender and flavor.